Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the second class of our Bangla learning course. In this course, I will kind of revise the previous lesson and also introduce you to the Bangla consonant. I think this lesson will take 2 classes. Let's see. So first of all, if we want to revise, the previous class was about Bangla vowels and there were 10 of them. I will write all of them for you for once. Okay. So this was O. I said like English O, and the shortcut for O was this. Okay. This one was O, and I will write it like this. And there was no shortcut for this one. So if I write the A consonant, this is K. This is K. If I do not write any shortcut here, no shortcut here, then it automatically means Ka. Okay, so this is K, but if I don't write any shortcut, then this automatically means that this vowel is acting on it, so it is Ka. And then we have the next two. This is A and this is A. Shortcut are like this. 2 shortcuts for this one, and this one has 1 shortcut. A. Next we have, this is E. This is also E. Shortcuts are like this. This is U. This is also U. Shortcuts are like this at the bottom. The next one was E. Okay, so O, A, E, O, and then OE. This is OE, and this is O. The shortcut will be like this. This is the shortcut, and O was like this. This is the shortcut for O. Okay, so O, A, E, O, O, and the English word like this, and I will use them now. Now let's go to the consonants. Okay, so in this lesson, and these are completely more in number. Okay, so it's really more and hard, but don't worry, there is no lesson 1 is for vowels and lesson 2 is for consonants, and there's no more lesson for learning the alphabet. So this is the last one for alphabets, and then we will practice all of this, and hopefully then you will remember them more. So time consuming, but you have to master this. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now before explaining what this means, I'm going to start here. Okay, now you can see that this is P and this is F, and in these two in the English language are kind of similar, but one is the deeper version of the other. So P, if I say Papa, and then suppose I said Fafa, then P and Pa and Fa are kind of similar, but one is the deeper version of the other. F is deeper than P. In the same way, if I show you these two, B and B, this is better actually. This is B and this is B. Now you can the way I pronounce them, you can understand that one is the deeper version of the other. B is the deeper version of B. Okay, so the two are same but different because one is lighter and the second one is deeper, and this is applicable for most of the Bangla vowels. You might okay, so not all but most. Okay, so you will see that this one is something and this is the deeper version. This one is something and this is the deeper version. This is something, 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 also deeper version. This is something, this is also deeper version. And I just told you this ones, and these two, these are different. There, I made a chart, but let's study them as a chart. We study them as different. Okay, so the light and deeper ones, yes, the light and deeper ones we study them as a chart, but the remainders, no. Okay. Okay, so let's start here. The first Bangla consonant is Ka, and I already told you that if I don't add any shortcuts here, then it automatically means that the O is active. Okay, so this is actually pronounced as Ka, and you might notice that for most of these Bangla consonants I did not add any shortcuts. That means all of them will have to be pronounced as O sound when written this way, and if written the other way, then we will use that vowel which is being used. Okay, so this is Ka, this is Kha, notice the deeper version. Ka, kha. This is go for goat. Okay, so like this is usually G, but we don't use this one as G. Okay, so the English word has goat. So when you say goat, we do not say jot. Okay, so that's not the J, that's ga sound. Okay, so in the goat word we have ga, and this one Bangla vowel is ga. Okay, and the second one is a deeper version of that, ga. Okay, so let me say them. Okay, ka kha ga gha, ka kha ga gha, ka kha ga gha. Okay, ka kha ga gha. Okay, so light deep like that. Okay, I will write all of them once at least. This is ka, this is kha, this is ga, and this is gha. The fifth one is kind of exceptional. All of these are fifth one exceptional. These two ones, this and this, are the Bangla equivalent for ing sound. Okay, so if you have read this is the word bang. Okay, now when I say bang, these two are N and G are pronounced as one thing, ing sound. Okay, so the ing sound is the Bangla for this and this. Okay, so I just say ing sound for them. Okay, so bang has ing, and these two are ing for Bangla. And what's more interesting here is that the word bang in English means an explosion or something, but we studied this word for Bangla when we were little and tried to learn the alphabet. And bang in Bangla means frog. The amphibian animal frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Okay, so frog in Bangla is bang, and I will tell you the spelling of that word. Oh no, not now. I have not taught you B yet, or have I? I have taught you B, so it's okay. Let's go. Okay. The Bangla word for frog is bang. Bang. Okay, so this one is B. This is a shortcut for A, and this is the consonant for ing sound. So bang it is. This is the Bangla word for bang. Now ka kha ga gha, ing sound, and then we have the second row, which is okay. Now this is the word for cha, and this is cha. Okay, now I have written the English word check here because check matches with the Bangla sound cha. Okay, so that's the thing we say for this consonant. And the next thing is deeper, cha. Okay, so I don't think English has a equivalent for that, but you have to understand it that way, cha. And then I'm going to the next one. Okay, now sometimes some multiple Bangla alphabet are pronounced the same way, so these two are the same. This is jaw, and this is also jaw, and this one is jaw. Wait, how do I write this? This one is jaw. Okay, so these two are J, and this is J, and I have written the English word jam here, so jam matches with jaw, right? So this is J, and the next one is deeper version of the jaw. Okay, jaw, and then jaw, and the last one is always exceptional. So these two can be equivalent for Y, and I will say that this one is more common, so you will see that more. Okay, so if I write this, then you will say Y. If I write this, then you will say ya. This will be yi, but that's not really in Bangla, so just this is ya. Okay. Oh, I have to write double A because I said I will use this one for A. Sorry, A. O, A, A. The A sound I will use to double A to explain that. And now we have this one. And should I explain? Okay, so I basically colored these four as blue color because all of them sound kind of same. Okay, so let me explain how. This is T, and it actually matches with the English T. So this is ta, and you in case you want a word, you can say tank. The tank has T in it, so that's the word for T as normal. And this is tha, the deeper version of that, ta tha. And so ta and tha, light and deep. And the one below it, which I have colored also blue, and I have written 2 here. There's a reason for that. So these two are kind of similar, but how do I explain? These two are kind of similar, but this is a lighter version. Okay, so usually this is light and this is deep, but now this is light, this is deep, this is also light, this is also deep, but these two are kind of similar. Okay, so I will pronounce them. This is ta and this is tha. And if you want a word, this is I have written think. Okay, so think, the first consonant is thi. Okay, so that's the Bangla for tha, think, tha. Okay, and this is for tank. Okay, tank. You might think that, okay, fine, T and Thi is kind of similar, right? So Bangla we have 4 of these: T, ta, tha, and this one is tha, and this is the lighter version of that. So I have to go reverse this way, because we don't have a equivalent for tha in English. Okay, so this is tha, this is also tha, same, just written differently. This is tha, this is tha. Okay, and this is ta, and this is tha. Okay, so okay, so ta, tha, ta, tha sound kind of similar. It may be that you might confuse, you might not be able to pronounce them correctly right now, but don't worry. When you hear that, hear Bangladeshis say that hundreds of times, then you will understand the difference, and you will be able to master these particular sounds. Okay, don't worry. Now, as I was saying, these 4 are ta, tha, tha, and tha, but I want to teach you the first 15 only, so I will not revise the 4th row right now. Let me finish the 3rd row. So in the 3rd row we have these 4 things, and this is exactly the same as D. Okay, so this is da, like the D, and this one is like da. You know that THE sound, THE is an article in English, and it is pronounced as da. Okay, so that da, and this is do, right? Do. So this is do, and this is do, as I just explained, and this one is a deeper version of that do, and this one is a deeper version of do. Okay, so do, do, and it's also kind of confusing, but if you listen to other people say all this a lot of times, then say all this a lot of times, then you will understand, you will able to distinguish between this very easily. So it now might look like hard, but it will become easy, inshallah. And lastly, wait, this is N, simply as that, and the way to write that is okay, so this is N, and this is also N. So both of them look kind of similar. They have this, and then one is like this, and the other is like this. Okay, so these two are N, na. Okay, so as I've already told you, if I don't write any shortcuts, then that means that O is already present. That means I had to say it as na. Okay, O. Okay, so there are 30 boxes here, and for the first this is the second class, and I think it's good to go through half of them first, and then the rest of the half. Okay, so let me just recap a little bit. Oh wait, we have to do something more. Okay, so not here. Okay, so I already told you this is ka, right? Like the English K. Now I will show you how to use all the vowel shortcuts here. Okay, so this is ka, just ko. If I have no short, if I don't write any shortcut, that means o is already here. Okay, so ko. Now if I write one shortcut, the o shortcut, then it becomes ko, right? If I write this one, then it becomes k. If I write this one, it also becomes k. If I write this one, then it becomes ka. If I write this, then it becomes ki. And the same happens if I do this. If I add this, it also becomes ki. If I do this, it becomes ku. Wait, okay, and the same for this one as well. Okay, if I do this, then it is the shortcut for oi. So oi, koi, of course. And then if I do this, then this is the shortcut for o. So o, o. Okay, now I have to show you that again, all over again. Ko, ka, ke, ka, ki, ku. Oh no, not that. Okay, ku, koi, ko. Okay, now I have to do the same for the second one. This is kha. Okay, so if I don't write any shortcut, that means it's kha. If I write this, then this means ko. If I write this, that means k. If I write this, it also means k. If I write this, it means ka. If I write this, it means ki. Same for this, ki. This is ku. This is also ku. This is koi. This is ko. Should I write the? Oh, okay, I'll just write them for memory. This is go. Right? For I use G for this. G looks bad. Anyway, so if I write this, that means go. The O is already here. If I write this, that means go. If I write this, it means gay. If I write this, that means gay. If I write this, it means ga. This is gi. This is also gi. This is go. This is also go. This is goi. This is also goi. Sorry, this is go. Sorry, go. O R A R E E U U O I O. Okay. Now next one. Gha. This is the deep G. Okay. So this is a gha. If I write this, that means go. If I write this, that means ghe. If I write this, that also means ghe. If I write this, it means gha. If I write this, that means ghi. This is also ghi. This is ghu. This is ghu. This is goi. This is go. Okay, go. And as for the last one, we don't or the ing sound, we don't really use vowels or vowels along with this because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense in English and Bangla. Okay, so they just use it usually at the end of the word, like bang or tank or no, tank is something else. Sorry, is there any other word in English? Kangaroo, I think. Kangaroo. No, that one says I cannot think of anyone, but we usually use it at the end. I cannot think. Okay, the next one is cha. I hope you are writing all this. This is cha. CH. Okay, this is cha. Cho. Che. Che. Cha. Chi. Chi. Cho. Cho. And choi. Cho. Okay, now we'll go on to the next one. This is cha, deep ch. Cha. This is cha. This is cho. What's next? Oh yeah, this is che. This is also che. This is cha. This is chi. This is also chi. This is cho. This is cho. This is choi. This is cho. Okay, now go bang ing, sorry, and then jaw cha. Okay, and then we have jaw, right? So this is j. Okay, so I mean I'm going to pronounce it as jaw when normal. Okay, sound is usually there. Okay, this is jaw, jo, j. This is also j. This is ja, g, g, jo, jo, joy, jo. And another thing I have to tell you, what oh, this is not working. Okay, another thing for j is this one. Okay, this is also j, but not j actually. This is jaw. Okay, so I have to pronounce it as jaw, sound. Okay, so this is jaw, this is jo, this is j, this is j, and this is j, this is ja, this is g, this is also g, this is jo, this is jo. What's next? Oh yeah, this is joy, this is jo. Okay, now we have to go to the deep version. This is the deep j, jaw. So jaw, jo, j, j, ja, g, g, jo, jo. What's next? Joy, jo. And as for the next one, why? Have I seen this? I think okay, so this one is less common. This is more common. Okay, so this I have seen this like this. So that means yeah. Have I sent? I don't remember e anywhere in Bangla, but there is u. Oh, okay, so and so this u, this exists. Anything else? No, I don't think it's possible to make anything else. Sorry. Next we have ta, just like tank. So we have ta, which is like t. So we have to say this is ta, to, te, te, ta, ti, ti, to, toy, to. Next we have to go to the deep version, which is ta. This is ta, this is to, this is te, this is also te. What's next? This is ta, t, t, no, to, toy, to. Okay, next we have d. Oh sorry, I mean do. Okay, so do, d, English. So this is do, this is do, this is also this is day, this is also day, this is da, this is d, this is also d, this is do, this is also do, this is doi, This is do. Next we have the deep version, da. Okay, so we have this is da, do, de, de, dha, di, di, dhu, dhu, dhoi, dho. And last one is quite easy actually. This is n. Okay, so this is no, this is no, this is ne, this is ne, this is na, this is ni, this is also ni, this is no, this is also no, this is noi, and this is no. Okay, and this one is 2 actually. So this is another second version also of n. Okay, so this is no, this is no, this is ne, this is also ne, this is na, this is ni, this is also ni, this is no, this is also no, this is noi, this is no. Okay, so that's 15 for now. Okay, let me just recap a little. We had 10 vowels: o, a, e, u, and also u, oi, and o. Okay, those were the 10 vowels. Now we have learned 15 consonants, and some have 2. So this is ka, kha, ga, gha, and then we have 2 for ing sounds, this and this. Okay, then we have cha, cha, ja. This one is 2 ja. This is ja, and we have 2 for y. Okay, so these 2 are for y. And then we have ta like tank, we have deep version tha, we have da like d, and we have deep version dha, and we have 2 for n. This is n, this is also n, no. Okay, so ka, kha, ga, gha, bang, cha, cha. Another different color please. Okay, cha, cha, ja, jha, y, ta, tha, da, dha, no. Okay, these were the first 15 consonants. Okay, last time ka, kha, ga, gha, bang, cha, cha, ja, jha, y, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, so that's the 15. I have to use this for ChatGPT practice. Okay, I will do that. Just try it 1 minute later. Okay, now here I am in ChatGPT in WhatsApp, and it's not a 1 minute. Okay, so I took more than 1 minute, and now I'm going to paste it. And okay, the practice is oh I forgot. Okay, wait until it comes. Okay, then I have turned on the internet and got the question. Now let's see. The first one is this. Okay, so this is the deep J, jaw. Okay, this is deep jaw, and I will also show. Should I? Oh wait, I have done that already. Okay, so this is deep jaw. Okay, so this is jaw, jo, j, j, ja, ji, and also ji, ju, ju. Okay. Now Next one is this. This is go, G. This is go, ge, ge, ga, gi, gu, also go, goi. Oh, I didn't do this for the previous one, sorry. And go. Okay. The next one is this. This is no, n. This is no. This is no. This is ne. This is ne. Sorry, no, without this. Only this is ne. This is na. This is ni. This is also ni. This is no. This is no. This is noi. And this is no. Next we have what? What? I did not do anything. Why are you saying this? Okay, I don't know why this is here, but leave it. Okay, the next one is this, and this is the first one, of course. Ko, ko, ke, ka, ki, ku, koi, go. Okay. Next one is this. This is the light jaw, light one. Okay. This is jaw. This is cho. This is che. This is che. This is cha. This is chi. This is chi. This is chu. This is chu. Wait. This is choi. This is chow. And you might remember that this is cha, and cha means tea. So in case you have gone to the CMC canteen, you should know that cha means tea. Okay. Anyway, so the next one is this. This is also J. Okay, jaw. So this is jaw. This is jo. This is J. This is J. This is ja. This is G. This is G. This is Ju. This is also Ju. This is Joy. And this is Jo. The next one is this. This is the deep D. Deep one. Okay. This is dha, dha, dho, dhe, dhe, dha, dhi, dhi, dho, dho, dhoi, dho. Okay. Next is this is jaw, usual jaw actually. Jaw, jaw, jo, j, j, ja, ji, ji, ju, jo, joy, and jo. Next we have this. This is the deep K, deep version. Okay, so this is kha, this is kho, this is k, this is also k, this is kha, this is ki, this is also ki, this is ku, and this is ku, and this is khoi, this is ko. Next one is this. This is the T, normal T. Okay, this is ta, to, te, without that, and ta, ti, tu, what's next? Yeah, toi, to. And just since you are Bangladesh, you should know that this, what this is. This is T, This is the shortcut for A. This is K, and this is shortcut for A. So this word is taka, and you should know what taka is. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Okay, so taka is like to, ta, ko, ka, taka. Okay, so what's next? This is bang, ing sound, nothing more about this. And this is y sound, nothing more actually. Well, we have ya. I don't think we have much more than that. Okay, this is tha, the deep T. Okay, this is tha, to, te, without that, tha, ti, tu. What is this? Tu. What's this? Toy, toe. This is no. Wait. No. No. Ne. What's next? Oh yeah. Na. Ni. No. Noi. No. This is D. Okay, this is do, de, da, di, do, doi, do. Next we have what? This is deep cha. Okay, ch, deep one. This is cha, cho, che, cha, chi, chu, and what's that? Oh yeah, choi, cho. Two more to go. This is gha, deep G. Gha, gho, ghe, gha, ghi, ghu, ghoi, gho. Okay, the last one is also y. This is also y, and we have this. So we have ya, but nothing more than this. Okay, and that's all for today's class. I hope you really should try to practice all of this by hand, because there's only 3 classes on alphabet. Okay, the 1 for vowel, 2 for consonants. So this is first one for consonants, and then another one, and then I will not teach you all of them again. I will just use words and tell you this is this, and you should know all of it. Okay, and I hope that you are doing exactly what I am doing, like this. Okay, so this is where I end. Assalamu alaikum.